Duol makedo gi mibadhi e pachoka Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission oyango ni gichako timo nonro e lai mar e-citizen ma janon budget yande noyango e nyim od bura noting'o mibadhi mar ariya. Koloso kod Citizen TV okinyi ma kawuono e kinde chenro mar Daybreak, jakom duol mar EACC Bishop David Oginde oyango ni gikawo okang' makamano mar fwenyo ponono ni mibadhi ma apisi majaga budget wuoye nadiri kendo ndamo mar chik ibiro kawo ne jogo manyalo bedo notiyo marach kod apisegi. Bende nowacho ni gie sani EACC nono governors ochiko e pachoka e bedo kod tudruok gi mibadhi e counties ma Thurka, kendo lero ni midhiero mapek maduon no nigo en kedo kod mibadhi en chike magayo mibadhi maneno marito jogo mitudo kod mibadhi tok jopiny ma omenda ma onyodhi ataro mar chik.
The things that the Auditor General has said to see whether indeed they are true. So, yes, we are seized of the matter to do with e-citizen.
Back then, what recommendations did you make and what were the loopholes that you saw?
It's almost the same kind of things,
yeah.
That the system was not in the hands of the government. It was in the hands of private individuals. And there were attempts to make that happen. But as you heard, there are indications from what came out that even though the transfer was made, it allegedly was not made. So it's alleged that some money is still going to individuals rather than going to government.
So you've instituted fresh investigations on
yes.
e-citizen again?
Yes.
After you had made previous recommendations?
Right. Our legal framework is not designed to fight corruption. It's designed to protect those who are corrupt or suspected to be corrupt. To get that person through the legal system to finally pay for their actions is a whole system that is defending the person who is accused rather than the people who have been defrauded.